Okay, let's get another back testing session in for the night. We're on January 3rd. I'm honestly just doing the whole month of January, probably every day, because it's the recent month, or it's the recent past month. So we're just gonna stick to January 2025 and review. So let's get right into it. Where are we? Okay, here's January 3rd. Let's go around to 9:30. We're looking down here. Let's go around to 9:30. Do like 9:31 right here. So let's say I get back to my computer or I get back to my desk. Market's about to open and we'll draw our trend lines. This is exactly how I would do it every morning. This is exactly how I did it today. And we made pretty good money today. But you guys will see that at the end of the week. So now we can zoom in and go bar by bar. Kind of move this a little bit. There we go. Okay, let's see this. A little break. Like I said, I like moving these as these are forming. We aren't seeing any setups so far. All right, we broke. We have a low here. Oops, sorry, wrong tool. Or not low, we have a high. We have a high here. We're just gonna connect the dots. Someone's calling me. Never mind. So we broke out of this. Someone's calling me. All right, back to where we left off. Quick intermission. So right here, I remember where we're at. Just right here, making some highs or lower highs. Bam. So guessing there. There's shorts down here. That's a brand new high, or not shorts, longs. Brand new high. 1, 2. So there's shorts, or not shorts, long stops down there. So we'll put that there just to remind ourselves. So we're still kind of doing our thing in this little uptrend here. Also could have done this too. So let's check this out. First entry short, second entry short, already got stopped. And then you could have anticipated this and then got in a tick above. It's a great risk and just ride it up. But like I said before, and like the way I've been trading, I don't like trading these regular second entry longs because there's nothing for me to aim for. Actually, wait, hold on a minute. Yes, there is. Or there's no, there's not. My fault. So yeah, there's nothing for me to aim for. Like if there were shorts up here, I would have definitely taken that for sure. But there's nothing for us to aim for, and this is just a regular second entry long, which you could still take 100%, but I like aiming for something. I want to take out those stops. Okay, so like that, we'll delete this. Put that there. Then we'll do this. Put that. Well, we won't know that this happened until now. So nothing. Broke. Still in this. Still in it. I'm going to drag it out like right here. Still in this little channel. So first entry short, second entry short, taken out. First entry long, second entry long. Yeah. Yes and no. I mean, I personally wouldn't take that. Would not take this personally. Only because the only reason why I wouldn't take this is because actually, no, my fault. See, this is why we're backtesting and we got to think this through. Well, yeah, there's nothing for us to aim for besides, actually, yeah, there is right here. So if we took this, because we have to watch out for these short stops here. Let's see here. Bam, bam. 1, 2. Yeah, I wouldn't take this because the signal bar wasn't as good, and if this green bar closed where this wick is, I would definitely place my buy limit order to get a retest and bounce up and then take this out, which we did. But the signal bar was horrible, so we are definitely not taking that. So now we can delete this, fix our line. So we got some lows happening. Right there. We're gonna delete that. Delete this. Oops. So yeah, that was right here. So we took those out. All right. So now we have this channel. And let's look for a trade. Okay, instantly broke. We could also, since we see this little uptrend, we can also do this. Bam. Okay, so we're following it. Delete this. Delete that. So there's not really anything for us to take so far. I don't know why I keep clicking the wrong thing, bro. Fuck. Move it. Damn, still going up. Delete that. First entry short or first entry long. Second entry long. I would definitely not take that trade at all. No way. Horrible. Okay, so we got some highs forming here. Gonna break this, delete it. So first entry long, second entry long, there's stops under right there. Did not mean to copy and paste. There's long stops under here. If we get a short setup, that would be great. Didn't get it, took them out. So we got a low forming here. Bam. There's nothing so far. There is nothing. Taken out. First entry long, second entry long. One. First entry short, second entry short, nothing. Dude, holy shit, bro. This is a dry day, like super dry day. We could extend that out. Make this a channel. Very dry day. Unless I really miss some trades. Okay. Let me see here. There's nothing for us to target, but if we anticipated with this trend line and this low connecting to each other, I don't know what happens next. Oh, fuck, that was an accident. But I would get in here on the retest. Oh, but we did not retest at all. We did, but I usually like to have an instant retest so we can bounce back. But good thing we didn't get in that trade. So now we got this. Two. We broke that. There's longs under here. Let's see. And these, it's a triple bottom. Okay. First entry long, second entry long, because the stops are under here. We probably won't even get a second entry short because of how bad we started out under here. Yeah, that's what I thought. Keep moving that up. See if we can move this down a bit. Let's say we did take this. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out, but let's say we did take this. First entry long. Second entry long. Let's say we did take this up. I'll go bar by bar now. Oh, it's the end of the close anyway. We wouldn't even take it. It's the end of the close. But that's about it for this session. One trade. Out of all this, one trade. And even if I was trading this, I probably wouldn't even have taken it if I was actually trading this live. Yeah. Days like that happen. It's all good. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.